Today we're going to answer the lifelong question of everyone out there in the universe. What are 3 ways to create an online course?
And as you're creating that online course, you may be asking yourself, how do I do it successfully in 90 days or less and save $10,000 in the process? That's why we have a free gift for you. It's that free masterclass link below. Go check it out.
The first way is DIY.
Now, there's many of you out there that are like, you know what? Instead of going out there and hiring a resource or whatnot, I want to do this on my own. I want to take it upon myself to do this on my own. Maybe you even have the resources financially, the time, but you still want to do it on your own. Perfect. Well, there's many ways to do it yourself. The best way is with eLearning Simplified Academy, which is our course that teaches you exactly how to do that, which if you take our free masterclass, there's also a little discount to that. Go check it out. But doing it yourself.
So basically, to do it yourself, what you're going to want is you're going to want a system. Right? And our system is eLearning Simplified Academy. There are plenty of courses out there that you can purchase that are going to help you, teach you how to build an online course. Some of them suck and some of them are very good, like ours. Not all of them suck, though. There are some other great ones, like Graham's Automatic Income Academy is fantastic.
Phenomenal.
Graham Cochran. So there are great courses out there that can teach you exactly how to do it yourself. But you got to put the work in. Otherwise, you're going to have someone do it for you. We got there.
Not university, for you. Yeah, exactly. There's many services out there where they will literally do everything soup to nuts, A to Z for you, right? You know, there's a lot of them out there. Some of them aren't the best. Some of them are pretty good, but you can also explore that service.
For example, eLearning partners. If you want a partner to help you create some amazing content, some premium eLearning content with the light board, with the green screen, with the whiteboard animation, or the character animation, yeah, you should probably hire eLearning partners.
Absolutely.
And there are some other really great people out there that will help you do it for you. Now, do we do everything? No, but we also, here's number 3, you can hire a coach. And this is something that our students of ELSA, eLearning Simplified Academy, they're like, hey, I need some extra help. Can you help coach me? And we're like, yes, of course we can. So you can either do it yourself, you can hire someone to do it for you, or do parts of it for you, or you can have a coach work with you to help you make the greatest program anyone has ever seen.
Exactly. Johnny said it perfectly. Nothing else to add except for this free gift that we want to give for you that we mentioned at the start. If you want to develop an online course or e-learning program in 90 days or less and save tens of thousands of dollars in the process, go sign up below. It is linked below. We're excited to see you there.
We're really excited for you to be successful. So thank you for liking and subscribing.